Don't you hate when you're putting on your mascara and all of a sudden you notice this and this? And what about that? Me too. And as you can see, I have the most hooded, droopy eyes. They droop so much, sometimes it's a wonder I can even see. Not to mention, I have really tiny, short, sparse eyelashes. So doing mascara can be a pain in the butt. And I discovered something super cheap that has definitely changed my mascara game. And this is called a Mascara Shield. I actually bought a set of 2. So first of all, you can see this is a plastic mascara shield, and then there's some instructions on the back. But the English translation is freaking hilarious. I have no idea what that means, and I don't think they do either. But it doesn't matter because I freaking love this thing. This is the tool. It is a plastic material and it has a concave shape so that it can fit really nicely in your eye socket. This part right here actually fits your upper eyelashes, and it has grooves that your eyelashes can fit into. This part is for your lower lashes, and it also has grooves. Then the other side has 2 combs, one with finer teeth and one with wider teeth. First thing I'm gonna do is curl my eyelashes like I normally would. And it doesn't help that my eyelids are so small. I have a lot of trouble finding eyelash curlers that actually fit my eyelid. This one's even a little bit big, but it does the job okay. And the mascara I'm using today is Voluminous Lash Paradise. I'm gonna try to brush off some of the excess here. All right. And I find that it helps if you're actually looking down, because then you're pulling your eyelashes up into the tool. And you can see that the shield is actually catching all the mascara. And then you just lift it off. Like that, look at that. And there is no mascara on top of my eye. One of the things you have to watch out for is if your mascara takes a long time to dry. With the course of blinking, you can still get mascara on your upper eyelid. So what I like to do is I take like an old spoolie, or you can gently go over the top with a Q-tip and remove some of the excess to keep it from hitting your upper eyelid. Let's do the other eye. Nice, right? Now let's move on to our lower eyelid. You're gonna wanna take this top part here, and this sits right under your eyelashes. And what I do is I just kind of dot it on there. I would never put mascara on my lower lashes because every time I did, I would end up with mascara all along the underside here, and I would end up looking like a raccoon. But since I've discovered this little tool, I found that it makes it so much easier. And I actually think it looks really cute. Now, as you can see, all the mascara is on the tool and not on your skin. And then if you want, you could take this little comb and rake through your lashes to separate them and make them fluffy. And there we have it. Not bad, right? Ever since I bought these mascara shields, I have been doing my mascara with no fear. I want to say I paid like $5 for this set of 2 mascara shields on Amazon, but they have multiple options at multiple prices. I'll put a link down below so you can check them out for yourself. If you've been struggling with putting your mascara on hooded, droopy eyes, definitely check them out. Do you have any special mascara tips? Leave me a comment and let me know. And as always, thank you so much for watching.